This may sound ridiculous, but some of these apps will pay you a few dollars per song you listen to. But I want to be honest from the start, this is not going to make you a millionaire, and it's probably not going to replace your full-time job. But what it's also not going to do, it's not going to waste your time if you want to make your first $1,000 online by listening to music. These are 7 different apps that are mostly worldwide available and absolutely free to make money. Let's begin with the app number 1. It's the very least paying website, and it's going to be radioearn.com, and this is the website that pays you to listen to radio music, and you can sign up to it for completely free and start the radio or just use their API, and then you can earn a payout every 15 minutes, and then you will get points which you can exchange for real money. So the points will be converted at the following month to US dollars, and some people have reportedly been earning $3 to $4 per song they listen to on it with this free website. But again, in my opinion, this is the least paying website, and they're also not accepting everyone. You can use the service worldwide, so it is worldwide available, but you would have to wait to get approved, and sometimes there is not different opportunities to make money from it. But either way, when there are, you can actually get paid to listen to music. It's not just going to be a lot. So let's go to the website number 2, and that's very second and one of the highest paying websites when it comes to completing different surveys, offers, and getting paid to watch YouTube videos. Search Google and play music on Spotify is going to be cashstars.com, and this is the website where again you can listen to music from Spotify and get paid anywhere from $2.50 to $4 per song you listen to. Now, even though this one is worldwide available and it is the highest paying website, when it comes to these different tasks, it's not available for everyone. So you will have to actually apply and put on a priority wait list by entering your name and email address, and then click on join a priority wait list, and then you will receive an email after 1 or few months to create an account. Just then, when you do create an account, you will have many different ways to make money, including once again watching YouTube videos, playing video games, and listening to music. Each song you listen to will pay you anywhere from $2.50 to $4, and the reason they're paying you is because they're just splitting the ad revenue with you. So advertising would put ads around those songs, and when you listen to them, you will hear some ads playing as well. So they're just splitting the ad revenue with you. But they're also charging artists and different people who are actually making those songs. They're charging them to have people listen to them, give them feedback, and advice on how to improve the song in the future. The third website where you can get paid to listen to music for free is musicgateway.com, and this is the website where you can review songs that other people made, give them your honest opinion and feedback, and then you will get paid for that. You can get paid anywhere from a few cents all the way to a few dollars per song. They send you a song, you review it, you listen to it, and then you give your honest feedback, and creators can earn up to $800 a month, which is about $1,000 a month using their submission tool. So basically the submission tool where people can submit their song and you listen to them, and then again you give your advice or feedback and what you just genuinely think about the song. So you can apply to be a creator by pressing on the apply now button, and then just enter some basic details about yourself. The very next website where you can get paid to listen to music is earnably.com, and this is the website where you can complete different tasks and offers, amongst which are getting paid to listen to music, and this one is worldwide available. You would have to sign up on their website by either connecting your Google account or PayPal account. Now, as you create your account on this platform, you can complete different offers and then collect points for each offer you complete, and then you can exchange those points for real cash. If you go to the redeem section, you can see that 30,000 points equal about $3 US on PayPal, and reportedly some people have been making $5 per song they listen to and per video they watch on the platform. You can watch videos by going over to the left hand side by clicking on videos. The next website, which is available for both App Store and Google Play Store, so it's available for both iOS and Android, and it's going to be current.us. And for Google Play Store, you would have to search for More Earn app, and then for the App Store, you would search for the current app. So they have different names and different Play Stores, but either way, you can play music and earn up to $600 per year, literally just by listening to music, as you can search and play from 100 different stations. So you can even select your music you like. So this is probably something you are already doing on daily basis. Well, now you can also get paid $600 a year just by listening to different musics for completely free. You will get points which you can again can exchange for their different services, either products or any service, or for real cash. The only downside with this free app is that it's only available in the US. If you're outside US, there are more options. The fifth website, which is something that I personally used about 6 or 7 years ago to make 100 per month, and the platform is called likeforlike.org, and it's still working now, but it works a little different than the previous few websites, because this one doesn't pay you directly to listen to music, but it gives you credits, and then you exchange those credits for likes, followers, and other social media engagement. Now you can collect credits by listening to music, and you can listen to music on different platforms like including SoundCloud, or you would basically just need to listen to different songs or watch different YouTube videos to collect credits. And once you want to exchange those credits, you would just have to click on add manage pages, and you can, for example, just add an Instagram page and collect Instagram followers. As you can see, credits per follow, 3 credits. If I have 30 different credits, that means I can get 10 followers. So if I were to listen 1,000 different songs, I could eventually have a page with 1,000 followers. So I could send 1,000 followers to my Instagram page. Website number 7, which is a way to make money by listening to music, is to transcribe songs or just write lyrics for different songs and music. If you go to a platform like Fiverr.com, which is a freelance website, you can see that there are only 460 services available. 460 people are actually doing this right now, even though there are thousands of people interested in a service like this. So people who will just write the text or write lyrics from these songs, and if you don't want to write anything yourself, you can also use that AI tool called Captions.app, and I use this on my phone, where you can basically just upload it on your video, your audio file, and then it will be transcribed for you with just one press of a button. So you don't really have to do the work yourself. The AI will put the lyrics and transcribe the entire song and write the text and everything that you are seeing on the screen. I hope that this video helped you out. Do share your reviews in the comment section below, and see you in the next video.